Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'm here setting up my home classroom. I hope you've had a chance to also get a learning space set up. It's kind of fun to do that and think about where you want to put things and what you want it to look like. Thank you for joining me for Morning Circle. One thing I'd like to say is that I hope you've gotten out your whiteboard and marker because we'll use those in a minute to try and write the day of school that we're on. So if you have it, you might want to pause the video and get your whiteboard and marker. Okay, let's start. I already have highlighted in the day here. I know it's hard to see, but we'll count together and figure out what day it is. We'll count by tens, and then we'll count these leftover numbers by ones. So please count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 121, 122. So we are on day 122. So now's a chance for you to use your whiteboard and try and write 122. Remember, when you're writing a number in the 100s, you can get that 1 down for the 100 and then kind of forget about it and think about how you'd write 22. So let's all take a minute to try and write that on our whiteboards. Okay, you ready to show? Here's what I have, 122. 122. Okay, we're ready to build our number with our base 10 blocks. And Kaden, I'm missing having you here to give me the new block. So I got out a new block by myself. So I added the new block already. So let's count and see if this makes 122. So here's the 100s block, 100. And then I have 10s blocks, so we count by 10. So 110, 120. Now I have the ones blocks, 121, 122. And that does make 122. So let's all now take our whiteboards and draw pictures to represent that underneath the numbers. So here's 100s. We had one 100 block. So I'm going to show that with a square. That looks like my 100 block. For the 20s, I'm going to show, or for the 10s, I mean, I'll show 110, 2 10s. I have 2 10s. So I'll do it like that, just lines. And then remember, do you remember what we do for the ones blocks, how we show those? Yeah, that's right, we use dots. So we'll need 2 dots to show the ones blocks. So 100, 10, 20, 121, 122. So you can practice counting that to make sure that this represents 122. And I'll set that up here so that we can see it. Okay, we'll save these blocks for tomorrow. And then I thought we would do our mindful breathing just like we do at school. So find a comfy spot. Get your body into a position where you can sit like a statue. You can be still like a statue. If you'd like to practice one of the breaths that we've learned, you can practice flower breath. You can practice hot chocolate breathing, snake breath. You might want to do bear breath. I'm going to do smell the roses and blow out the candles. So I'll get the timer set. And we'll give it a go. Okay, I hope you're all ready in your comfy spot. And here we go. Okay. I feel ready to start the day. How about you? Today won't be a typical learning day because you don't have your learning packs yet. You can go to school today and pick those up. They are ready for you. They are full. There's lots of work in there. So we'll be using those over the coming weeks. And a lot of it will look familiar, like writing workshop and some of the centers work. The math will be continuing with subtraction, so there'll be some new stuff in there. If you can look through it, like kind of flip the pages, but if you leave it in your folder, that'll make it really easy to find it when we need it. We'll be going through day by day, taking something out each day. So if you leave it right in your folder, it'll be easy to find when we need it. So today I will make another video for you. I have something fun planned. So let's end our morning circle. I miss you, I love you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.